Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video of story. Dodge has unveiled the world's first electric muscle car, the 2024 Dodge Charger Daytona, boasting a robust 670 horsepower and an anticipated 0 to 60 mph acceleration in 3.3 seconds. The Charger will come in two variations, the electric all-wheel drive Skatpack and RT models, each equipped with a 400-volt propulsion system and a unique fratronic chambered exhaust for its distinctive engine sound. Production for the two-door coupe variants will commence in mid-2024. While the 4-door models and gas-powered Charger 6-pack versions are slated for production in the first quarter of 2025. That's all for now today. So guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Come back to you tomorrow with new amazing cars and real story. Till then, goodbye.